helpful in terms of the technology. We have never had any glitches as such, and the entire classes and the sessions were very smooth. The team was always available for any queries that we had, be it late at night or maybe be it early morning during the quiz, during the classes, or maybe during the examinations that we had. So the team was available all throughout for the support.
VCNow ensured that in the comforts of our home, we were able to get the best knowledge from the best professors, and the overall experience was great. The staff, the faculty at VCNow and the staff were very cooperative and helpful. It was a very smooth program. I didn't actually anticipate a completely online program could be so smooth, and all the online modules are very, very smooth. So really appreciate the effort VCNow put in.
VCNow has done a great job. I cannot thank them enough. They have been available for us 24/7, even in the night. If we require a recording of a subject, if we didn't receive, they were kind enough to be available for us, understanding what challenges we go through and lifestyle we live. So kudos to VCNow.